Tell me what big win you had recently.
I've booked 5 clients since we started the 5-day challenge.
I have had so many wins since I joined your program.
I was feeling very stalled in my business. When I joined, I also was joining for me of like, let me get into that mindset, into that motivation to get that next 5K. And so now I'm $2,000 closer to that.
Spent a lot of money on all these courses and I was still stuck.
Yes.
And it's a lot of money and I find you and it's like the fraction of the cost and I've gotten so much further in 1 week.
If someone is not familiar with your first 5K, the club, what drew you to it to begin with?
I've been grappling with how to package my new direction I wanted to go in.
I like how you are approaching people reaching their first or next $5,000.
I'm a creative, so I've got all these things going on all the time. And I was like, I need something to focus. And then one Friday night, I was just sitting there and then your videos come up.
It's just this very energetic of like, just kind of do it and breaking it down.
Also the affiliate.
Yeah.
When I got in your group, I was like, oh, wow, I'm going to do the affiliate first. The first day that I checked, it was $14. To my surprise, I didn't know. A couple of days later, and it's like 300 and something, and I'm almost at $500.
The first video I jumped on and that's in your program, I was like so impressed by it that I said, oh, pause, I need to send this to people because I can't be a gatekeeper. I need to share it. Not realizing at the time that when you share it straight away with affiliate link, you earn from it if somebody joins.
When I tell you I haven't had to do much besides post the link here, there,
So like literally as soon as I do it, somebody's joined within like the hour of me starting the course.
Wow.
So immediately I get a win. Following hour, somebody else joins. And by the end of that day, 3 people had joined.
Yeah, anybody who joins your first 5K or Arlan's All Access, you become an automatic affiliate. So you get an affiliate link if you want to. If you share it, you get 50%. And it's also recurring. So if anybody signs up as monthly, you get that recurring monthly or annual. So let's break it down for real here.
Okay.
How much is your offer?
It's $150.
And how many of those did you sell?
I sold 2.
And you sold that when you took the challenge?
I did. What I love about it, well, for one, is that it is a short enough period of time to where I was able to make that commitment.
So day 1 of the 5-day challenge is figure out your offer. Day 2 is promote your offer. Day 3 is if you don't know who to promote to, how do you build an audience? So I want to talk about this day 2s and 3s right there, because you said that you sent the offer out and you almost immediately got one person who was very interested in this offer. And then soon after you got a second person. Who did you send it to? Like, where did you know to post this?
For me, before I went live on socials and YouTube and all of that, I shared my offer to people that I already knew. And that is a strategy that you share in your program.
I sent it to folks who I already knew inside of my text messages, inside of Facebook groups, inside of Messenger. Folks who either already purchased from me before, or folks who have expressed an interest in next time that you're doing something, I want to know about it.
We talk about that a lot in day 2 and 3, where we talk about, of course, social media. We talk about YouTube, LinkedIn, all of that. But we also talk about the fact that there's somebody in your phone right now who needs what you have to offer.
In the challenge, I managed to hone my idea that I wanted to do. And so I put it on my website. I spent a day doing that. I spent another day. So now I've got my website set up. Now I've got my payment link set up. Now I've got my offer ready to go. And I was worried about how to share it. So I shared it like on a few DMs. And then somebody said, oh, I really like this. Can I book it as, a free discovery call I offered?
Yeah.
We did the discovery call yesterday. Ooh. And she wants to book some sessions, which is so exciting.
Gosh. Wow.
The 5-day challenge gave me the push that I needed to really just get back out there and kind of hone in on one specific offer instead of having this offer, that offer, being all over the place.
What is one thing that was a struggle for you before you joined the membership that is now easier for you?
I want to say putting myself out there. It's always been kind of hard for me to put myself out there or my offer. Like, I've done groups, I've done memberships, but the 101s have seemed to be the ones that I didn't really, get people to sign up for. Now I have mojo, baby. Mojo. The momentum is there, and I'm so thankful. I think that was the biggest thing for me to put the one-on-one out there.
You just have to start where you are. Just start. Even if it means like just writing down your idea and getting it out of your head, that is starting.
It's all about the environment that you create. You've been very generous of like helping people with the challenge, making a whole course of like for the affiliates and how you can create income with that. Like just so many wonderful ways that you've been helping the community. And so I've been learning from that.
For me, it did encourage me to put my stuff as a priority. Mm-hmm. And so in putting my own thing as a priority and saying, you know what, this is just as important, if not more, than what I do for my clients, get your thing ready, get it out there so that you can start iterating and reiterating and building it out. So for the person who is starting and just not really knowing, there's so much stuff that you can do that you don't realize that you do it.